Hey guys, my name is Emo and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So today I'm going to teach you on how to enable dark theme or dark mode on YouTube. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Just put youtube.com, enter, go to YouTube, and what you're going to do is you can sign in if you want. Okay, there are two ways. If you sign in, that's one way, and if you do not sign in, there's another. Okay, so I'm just going to click on settings. So you can see here there's three dots here. Okay, this is before you sign in, so you're going to click on that, click on dark theme and turn it on. Simple. Okay, if you sign in here, there'll be your icon here, your logo. You're going to click on that and you'll have the dark theme option there. Okay, so these are the two ways to have a dark mode on YouTube. Okay, so if you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.